brain is like not working today. All right, that's set up. That is set up. Music. Oh, shoot. Hold on, guys. Give me 1 second here. OBS. Share my screen. All right, there we go. We're kind of right at this macro support. All right, market opened. Cool. Unfortunate. I kind of wanted to be in the short. I'm gonna actually try this short out. I don't like what my stop is though. We'll see if we can head down to a lot of these lows. I probably should have entered fewer micros. I didn't realize, because ideally I want my stop up here, but I don't want to risk 500 on this trade, so let's keep it at 250. Might get stopped out of this one. Not gonna lie, if this trade works out, I'm kind of lucky. All right, I'm gonna stop this into profit. I don't get more in here actually. Oh, never mind. Stopped at break even. interesting. Pretty big yoink. Make sure, yeah, okay. I don't know why this is not on the right low. I'm still fairly short biased, but if we really start pushing up here, we may try to, well, that's 100 points, we might try to eat that. Maybe to any of these bases. I'm gonna try long here. I'm gonna take one off. I took one off right at this high. Let's see if we can ride the rest up. I'm trailing my stop. Alright, stopped out. Okay, just as a side note, I am trailing my stops pretty heavy, or pretty close, because I am trading my apexes with these. Just FYI. Good morning, guys. A lot of confluence in this area. I'd like to short it here if we can. 1 minute. Kind of like that on the 3 minute, right? That body. Candle body just shows you kind of where a lot of the trading happens, so. I'm just gonna keep that marked out. I don't know how significant that would be, but. Trading view is lagging. Oh, dang. Let me, sorry guys, I gotta check into my phone real quick. Alright, we're seeing some upwards momentum here. I still would like to think we're short for the day. But if we flip VWAP, I'm gonna change my bias. We'll be looking for longs if we flip VWAP. I'm looking for shorts in this area though. So if we start to get a clean break of structure here, like we see something like this, I'm gonna short it. Or just say like this hard rejected, like I would, and it broke here, I would look to short something like that. Yeah, we're definitely facing a little resistance here, as expected. Oh man, 5 minutes looking pretty bullish though. Interesting. Maybe we are long today, guys. I have to give it a little bit more time, but it's looking fairly bullish so far. Do we have any news today? Oh, we got jolts at 10 a.m. Really close to VWAP. We're blasting through all the moving averages right now. Interesting. We could be short here, or we could be long here, guys. VWAP is at around 935. Just reclaiming all these bases. We're really close to VWAP. I want to see how we react on VWAP here. That's kind of off VWAP. We're really close. 40 points already, guys. This is a pretty volatile market, guys. And these pullbacks they look small, but they're pretty deep, so definitely watch out. This almost looks like supply building up. Waiting for this to break. Alright, I'm in. I want to take this pretty low if we get it. Ooh, that's a big reaction. Okay, stopped out. Oh, crazy. Maybe I should have went a little softer. Alright guys, I think we are bullish. That reaction is pretty insane. That's a lot of buyers. What does a 1 look like? Yeah, I'm probably not going to short this until it really looks convincing, right? Maybe we get something like this and we start breaking below. I'll look to short it, but buy pressure is pretty intense right now, so I'm probably just going to give it a little time. If we flip VWAP, I'll go long. Otherwise, I might be chilling. Like, I want to short this. I'm still short biased, but there's just a lot of strength in the market right now. Here for the chop here, guys. We just went up 250 points. And we're near VWAP, so we're gonna get off. We're gonna probably see some selling here. We're definitely gonna get some chop. We're breaking that. It's a 5. 5 looks really bullish. I'd be pretty, I'm inclined, I want to long this, but we're right at VWAP, so I don't want to long it right under VWAP. I want to make sure we flip it before we go long. Because otherwise we might, even if we are long, like VWAP might give us a little rejection, right? And give us that retrace into the long. But if we just start blasting past it, like I think VWAP's like here. So if we just like start blasting past it, we'll look for long here. This could be the short too. I'm just less inclined to short it now because of the, if you look at the 15, we broke structure on the 15. Looks like supply, ready to pop VWAP. I'll join it if it starts going. Buy pressure is here. I really want to say this supply pops, but I don't want to long it until it flips VWAP. If if we're building supply, we really want all these lows to really be held. Yeah, looking a little weak. Looks like a rejection off of the VWAP. Interesting, dude. Oh, I really want to short this, but I don't like how the 15-minute closed. I think the 15-minute close is a little too bullish to really want to short this. A lot of high targets. If we do end up clearing higher, we have a lot of targets up. Alright, we are above VWAP now. I think I want to get in. I'll put my stop right underneath. 2040. 2040 is value area high. Let me mark out some highs here too. Let me do this on 5. I don't know if I want to mark all of these out. We'll just mark out most of them. Ooh, that's a retrace. Damn. Really? Okay, I guess we haven't like fully cleaned VWAP yet. Yeah, a little unlucky. It's alright. Yeah, maybe I should have waited for at least the close of the 1 minute. It's actually breaking down to the downside. I'm gonna join the short, guys. I'm joining a little lower risk. If this starts to run, I think the short could be pretty confluent. But I just don't like how bullish the 15-minute closed. So I don't want to risk too much going short. But we'll end up adding to it if it goes. Alright, yeah, stopped out. Yeah, I'm just getting chopped up here, so I'm probably gonna sit out of trades until we either get above VWAP or we get maybe at least like a 1 minute break. Yeah, otherwise I'm gonna get pretty eaten up here. not a U problem, it's an NQ problem. That's funny. No, it's just choppy here on VWAP. It's definitely a short angle here, unless we reclaim VWAP. But honestly, I thought this was reclaiming it, to be honest. That looked pretty strong into it, so I don't know. It looked good to take a long. Can't win them all. It's fine. Yeah, I don't know. We're just in a range. We're consolidating, so it's getting ready for a move one way or the other. We just gotta be right on which way it's going. I want to say the 5-minute now looks bearish. I want to say the higher time frames are starting to look bearish. There it is. I'm gonna join that. I should get 3 in. I just pray this doesn't yoink us. I mean, the 15 still looks bullish, but everything else is looking bearish, so I think I'm willing to try this one. Nice, that's good reaction. There it is. I guess our original bias of going short was correct. Assuming this continues to grind. Close below this, can't close above this base. Good. We're at the bottom of value here. So if we start to trade outside of value, I think this could dump. Yeah, struggling a little bit at the bottom of value, right? We're getting a little buy pressure here. But if it breaks, I think this could be fairly bearish. See. Minutes. Nice. 1 minute's closing pretty bearish. 3 minutes left on the 5. We have jolts in just a few minutes. I'm probably just bring this down to break even now, just in case jolts like yoinks us. Ooh, some buy pressure. Gets sold off. Nice. That's what you want to see. News in 5 minutes, we should get the move. Yeah, I just don't want it to like yoink us right before news, you know? Like my stop's here. I don't want news to do this and just like if it's going to do that, I'd rather it just take me out for break even, and then when it gets like back down here, we'll re-enter the short, or maybe we'll re-enter the short up here. We'll see. Two minutes till jolts. Dude, why do I have a feeling jolts is gonna yoink us? It's more pressure here than I'd like, but it also does look like supply build up to the down, so we'll see. break even. Alright, 30 seconds, we got jolts. I'm gonna mark this out. Kind of considering taking one off here. Alright, took one off. Nice. It still looks really bearish. May just be in near the top, guys. We've had a lot of buys here in this area, so this is kind of where we can get a little yoink, but I'm not gonna move my stop down just yet. I'm pretty bearish. The market looks really heavy right now. Like we should be seeing more buy pressure here, but really not too much. Heavy market, guys. Let's go. Okay, so yeah, this is where we should get a little buy pressure. No, I think this is grinding down. Probably see a little buy pressure here, but I think this is going to continue going. 2 minutes. What is that level? 708. We want to close both below 708 on the 5 here. If you don't close below 708, I think we see a bigger yoink up. And if that's the case, I do want to try to shave off at least one more mini, or one more micro, I mean. Right at that 708 mark. Yeah, it looks like we're breaking it. What's that look like on the 5? Oh yeah, the 5 is trying. It doesn't want to close below 708. Seconds left. We're 708. I'm gonna mark that out. Oh no, we're going. Ten seconds. 708. We're like right at it. No, we closed below. We should still be down. Nice. So we held below 708. Sellers are in control. $605. Okay, yeah. You can see a good reaction off 605. So I'm probably just gonna take off my whole position at 605. Oh, interesting. Nice short, bro. Thanks, man. This side should be protected. I think we see lower prices. For sure. But these Apex accounts have consistency, so I'm gonna probably just take it off here. Yeah, we just took today's low. I want to say it doesn't matter. Like, the market's so heavy. I don't think buyers are gonna. I really don't think buyers are gonna win, but we'll see. If buyers want to start, taking over, this is gonna be it. So, but they already let the low go, so I don't think they're gonna really try to protect it. little buy pressure. I'm gonna trail down on that. Yeah, honestly, the market is just so heavy. I don't think buyers are gonna take control anytime soon. I think this can just keep running. Like I'm almost tempted to just take one off here. See if I can ride the other. Let's see if we can squeeze a little bit more of the market, guys. We'll start trailing our stop pretty close after this. Come on. Come on, hit our TP. $1,200 for the day. Thank you. Absolutely, bro. All you, man. Let's go, guys. TP2 hits. Yeah. If we don't see a good reaction off of this, I think this is just gonna rip lower. That was a low that I was sure buyers were protecting. When was that? Back in November. We took November's low. Is that November's low? Oh, it's not November's low, but we had a lot of buy pressure around this area, and then dude, the buyers gave it up. So let's go, guys. Like, I'm just writing this. I'm taking this on another account too. I'm gonna try to milk this. I think if Apex wasn't trailing, I probably would have added more to this. Oops. Bro, I don't know why when I press my mouse button, it just takes me out. Oh, that's my other account. Hold on. Ooh. like that. Actually, I don't think that's where we entered, is it? It says it is. Let me set this one back up. Alrighty. You got stopped out at the 10 a.m. wick? Oh yeah. Yeah, I was a little worried I get stopped out at that too, to be honest. But luckily we got in a little earlier. We're just able to set a break even, so. Ooh, a little buy pressure here. If we still have bearish distribution, this should still continue down. I think if we start to pop over these, it could be a little dangerous, so. I do want to start trailing this. Alright, yep, taken out. Yeah, it was a little dangerous if that high gets taken, right? That's our distribution. We have bearish distribution. As soon as that gets taken, you get huge bullishness. So, alrighty, solid dub, guys. What a trade! We'll take it. Good stuff, guys. I think this is still probably continuing lower, but I wonder if we can get a little bit more of a retrace. Alright, this is just bearish distribution. It just yoinked us. This should still continue to run, but I think this could maybe see like this. So, we'll see. There's still levels lower that I think I want taken. So yeah, that was this low here. No, that was this low. I really thought this low was gonna be like have a lot of reaction off of this one, but we actually ended up just like zooming past it. But we have a lot of these other lows down here. I'm probably gonna get a good amount of chop, probably in this area, right? Like I think like price coming down, right? In this area, we're probably gonna get like this sort of price action, and then we'll probably end up breaking through. And if we don't break through, then this is gonna be our new low. Like our new low would be set. Right? The bottom could be in. Like it's either we take this or I think the bottom's in. Like down here, we're either coming back up and the bottom's in, or we're gonna break this and then continue lower. Looks bearish. We'll see. Huge trade though, guys. Congrats if you caught it. Let me see where we got in actually. We got in somewhere here. This was the trade. It's almost, we probably got like 250 points. 200 points? Maybe like 200 points. I would definitely say on the hourly, what do we have to get up to? 653. 653. Wait, 653? We have to get back up to this on the hourly. Which I think is doable. If you close above this on the hourly, I think we have room for a good amount of retracement. I still think we're down, but this could be like something like this, you know? So. And market just looks so weak. Oh, 63 is orb low, right? I'm sorry, open. Let me mark out the orb. It's our orb. All right, right into that base. Huge rejection off that base. Could be a possible short entry. Yeah, that's a really good reaction. Enter one here. I'm in one micro. Trying to go for a quick scalp here. I don't want to risk too much as this could yoink. But honestly, market's looking pretty weak. I think that reaction off that base was fairly healthy. So I think we can see like this, which is why my stop's a little sensitive. But it looks down, so let's see. Ooh, that's a pretty big reaction. All right, well, that's why we stayed super low risk on that. Interesting. It still looks really short, but there's buyers in play, right? What a yoink. How many points was that? Yeah, 100-point yoink. Alright, I think the chop's begun, guys, so I'm gonna actually just kind of stay out of this, and then if we see like one more good trade, we'll just go in again light, so we can kind of protect the account. We're already up 650 on the account, so I'll take it. Let me make sure I flatten the group. If you guys use TradeCopia, make sure you guys flatten your group every time after a trade. I think it can kind of bug out if you don't, so. Yeah, that was a pretty crazy retrace, but that base is still protected. So I'm still inclined to think this is going down. But doesn't mean we can't get yoinked in the process, so. Yeah, that still looks pretty heavy, right? Let's see if this holds. Do we get another yoink? Yeah, definitely these levels I want to see taken. Maybe if we start to break below this one, I'll look for this. Another yoink. That's crazy, man. Yeah. Hey, Jungo. Yeah, this week's been pretty good. A lot of good moves this week, so yeah, we've been taking advantage. I think we had like one poor day of PA this week, but it's been good mostly. Yeah, these mini pullbacks are not mini at all. Ah, dang. At least it was a break even. Another 60 points. Got the 30-minute candle close. Close pretty bearish. Probably putting that top wick on the 30 and the 15. Yeah, honestly the market still looks heavy. These pullbacks are pretty insane. But yeah, I mean this is kind of what we expected though, right? We expected this, right? That's kind of what we said. So you might try to trade the breakdown, the breakdown of this low. Let's see if we get it. I'm a little worried about this low, that we get a reaction like this, right? Maybe we get divergence here. It's definitely possible. But I don't know. Market's so heavy. If anything, we'll probably go break even or a small risk on this. And if it does yoink a bit, we'll probably just try to look for that short again, realistically. All right, did we get that 80-point yoink again? Looks good to break down. Oh, yep, another yoink. Yeah, dude, like 5-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, they all look so weak right now. I think we're coming down for these lows. Watch this on the one. I wanted to break this on the one, at the very least. Looking good. What does a 15 look like? think we're still looking good. Another yoink. Oh shoot. Guys, I just spilled coffee everywhere. Give me a second. Bro, my keyboard. Oh, that's so sad, man. Wait, this is not gonna like hotkey like buy like 100 contracts, is it? Oh lord. Alright guys, give me a minute here. New keyboard time, yes. 1 second. All right. How's everyone doing today? Green? My account is green. My entire desk is black. Bro. I can't believe I just did that. Holy, what a yoink. How many points is that? Oh shoot, dude, my keyboard's broken. God damn it, dude. Can't press shift. what a yoink, guys. Let me unplug my keyboard. Bro, I'm like 9 out of 10 sad right now. Yeah, broke my keyboard. Blow dry it? Yeah, I might need to. Alright, it's a keyboard cleaning stream, I guess. Side note, just kind of watching this. Honestly, if we're in this range, I can't press shift, but I don't even know how many points this range is. I can do this. Let's measure. Wait, where's the measuring tool? Hello? Oh, it's right here. The 100-point range. Oh, never mind. Market wants to go higher. I was gonna say, if we're gonna stay in this range. Time for a new keyboard? Dude. Maybe. Unfortunately, maybe. I just hope it still works. Take off some of these keys. I have a secondary keyboard, but I also got coffee on it, so. Alright, let's see if this keyboard works. Yes, this keyboard has survived, guys. Alrighty. So, I guess it's time to clean my keyboard. Where is it? Sorry, I don't have to chat up. Put in a rise the old school way? Yeah, honestly. I think it's gonna be fine. I'm just gonna take all the keys out, you know? It's probably time to clean my keyboard anyways. So. Sorry, I have an extra keyboard that I can still trade on. I'm still gonna be watching the market. Sure I have. All right. I think honestly, if we're gonna short it, it's here. We do not want to get accepted back into value. if you want to go lower. So like this is literally value area, like right here, like that. I think the short has a lot of merit to it. Oh yep, just broke structure. I'm in. I'm in for 1 micro. It's great, let's do 2 micros. Move my stop down. I'm gonna be break even on this, just in case this yoinks. Ooh, what a wick. I'm gonna bring it down. Let's secure at least 60 bucks on that. The stream is stopped. Am I still streaming on YouTube? I am, right? I'm working on Trader right now. I blew all 5 XFAs trying to go heavy on metals. Yeah, no, my XFAs have been like in and out. I've been like recombining, trying to build some buffer on a couple of them, but same thing for me. So it'll click on the 30. I'm gonna trail this. I'm gonna set it at 100. If it wants to take me out there, I'll let it take me out. Holy dude, my keyboard is drenched in coffee. At least it smells good. I might need to put it in rice, as he said. Let me know if this is loud. Taking my keys off the keyboard, I can mute the mic. Oh yeah, Apex. You can't trade metals on Apex anymore. You're shorting all day today? Yeah, probably. Like the market's so heavy, man. Like I would not try to fish longs here. Or like even if you fish longs, like I think the edge is diminished and you probably can't really hold the longs. It's better to just be short today and just like, yeah. Like if you went like super wide stop and short, like you probably can't lose today, so. Alright, what a catch on this, guys. I think this is where you could see some sort of bounce, right? If these lows want to be held. We held this low earlier. I would definitely be a little careful here. I want to trail my stop a little closer. Alright, we'll see if we get taken out here. It won't smell good for long. You know, you're right. You're absolutely right. Bro, how much coffee did I spill, man? It's disgusting. Yo, how often do you guys clean your keyboards? All right, stopped out there for like 200. We'll take it. Solid trade. That's across like 9-10 accounts, so we'll take that, man. How many points was that? We ate it from like here, right? Oh shoot, my other keyboard's not working now. It's like 50 points. Yeah, we're trading apexes, so we're not gonna really give it too much space. Just take it. So we're up 900 on the XFAs, apexes. Yeah, this is probably gonna chop for a little while, guys. I don't know if we're gonna break down just yet. The buyers are still holding this level. Let's try to do the giveaway today. If we can get to 150 likes, we'll give away a Lucid account. 50K Lucid, probably Flex, Lucid Flex. I'll be right back. Keyboard's working again. The keyboard's like dying. It's like going on and off. Another mini keyboard. Yeah, look how heavy this chop is, but like unable to get back inside the orb. Yeah, I'd just be fishing for shorts in this range, guys. I'll probably definitely wait out the chop though. Let's see. Alrighty. Guys, we hit a ton of bangers today. We only have 20 likes on the video. 100 people watching. Let's try to get to 150 likes. Trying to bring in more people into the stream. We'll do a giveaway for a Lucid account. If we can, honestly, if we can bring a lot of people into the stream and we get to 200 likes, we'll give away 3 Lucid accounts. All you gotta do is like and follow. And there's a ton of people with like a bunch of extra raffles in too, because you guys have been using my codes. So yeah, make sure to like and follow. Oh, that's all you gotta do to enter. If you want extra raffles in, you guys can use any of my codes. I think the Apex 90%'s over today though, right? I wonder if they have any other deal going on. But yeah. Let's try to do that giveaway. We haven't been able to do it all week. We haven't been able to hit 150 likes. Alright. So hourly's gonna close soon. I think the hourly is still trying to close above, what is that now? Guys, 30 minutes still looks really bearish. Hourly 653, is that this line? It is. Yeah, there's no way. I think we're just gonna chug down today, guys. I'm gonna wait for this hourly to close, and then if I see a good entry into a short, I might take another short. I'm still pretty convinced that these levels are gonna get taken. The market's still super heavy right now. Yeah, look at that weakness. Yeah, you either like fish for short on top, right, where that base is, or like where orb is, right? We just bounced off the orb, right, not too long ago, a few minutes ago. It's either that or you try to play the breakout. We're at 31 likes now. Nice, it's going up. Yeah, make sure to keep, just like and follow, guys, and that's all you gotta do to enter. We hit some bangers today, so please like and follow for me. Yeah, February's been way better to us than January has been, so. Bro. January was like super close to breaking my mental, not gonna lie. Let me lock in my apexes. Apexes are locked for the day. Hold on, guys. I gotta make a quick phone call.
think about except thoughts. So, he loses touch with reality and lives in a world of illusions. Thinks all the time has nothing to think about except thoughts. So, he loses touch with reality and lives in a world of illusions.
Alright. Sorry guys, I'm back. I had a talk with my dad. Alright, viewer count going up, guys. Already hit some bangers today. Let's see how many likes we're at. 35 likes, 100 viewers. Come on guys, let's get it up. We'll do the giveaway at, you know what, how about this? We'll do one account at 100 likes, two account at 150, and then we'll do 3 accounts at 200 likes. I think that's probably more realistic. Let's do it. Giving away some Lucid Flex accounts, and we are still stuck in this range. For those of you tuning in, I spilled coffee everywhere on my keyboard, so I am cleaning my keyboard. Want to say hi to the stream? You want to say hi to the stream? Say hi. Say hi. Guys, like the video for Toto, my dog. I'm about to put him on a prop firm challenge soon. We'll see if he can pass. Have you seen that guy who trades with his chicken? Have you guys seen that guy? The prop firm kid? Trade with his chicken? I'll have my dog trade one. Oh shit. Cute, yeah. Thank you, thank you. He's a little cutie. $42 likes. Let's go, guys. Let's get some likes on the video for the dog, for the wiener. Yeah, we'll do the giveaway at 100 likes. Since we're at 94 viewers, and then let's see if those likes bring in some traction. If we can get up to 150, we'll do 2 accounts. And if the algorithm blesses us, if we get to 200 likes, we will do 3 Lucid accounts giveaway. I messaged Lucid for more free accounts to do giveaways, and they told me to stop asking. So, it's coming straight out of the affiliate pay. Yeah, we got enough for like 3-4 accounts to give away, I believe, the last time I saw, so that's exactly what we're gonna do. We'll buy like 4 accounts and then just use them for giveaways. They didn't literally say stop asking, but like affiliates can buy accounts for cheaper. So like the money I make off of like the affiliate commissions, I can buy accounts with them for a little cheaper, and those are like meant for giveaways. Yeah, I don't think I can use the accounts. It's just so I can purchase for giveaway. So, but they already gave me, I think, 3 free accounts that we've all given away. So, you know, I just asked. Might as well, right? No harm in asking. But yeah, they told me to use the affiliate system. guys. But yeah, I think we have like $300-400 in commissions, so that should be enough for like 4 accounts. Okay, we took this low. Getting yoinked. I'm gonna watch this on the 1. Yeah, I probably want to take this at least on the 1 minute break. Wow, what a yoink, guys. That's crazy. How many points are we already? 90 points? Dang, dude. Yeah, this is definitely like low breakout potential, so. Alrighty, we are at 46 likes. Is it this shit? $46 likes. Let's get 50 more, guys. Dude, holy, what a buy. Alright, let's take a look at these higher time frames. How are they panning out? The hour closed a little bit. Yeah, I know the hour's still close bearish, right? You still kind of left that body. We could be retesting this base. Yeah, maybe just deeper pullback. I think regardless, I'm not really willing to take a long here until we flip VWAP. But honestly, this is starting to become a little convincing. That doesn't look terrible. Alright, especially if we come up here. Where's VWAP at? So VWAP's like here. But if VWAP comes a little lower, right? We start to claim VWAP. I can see that. Maybe even some sort of head and shoulders on VWAP. Yeah, I probably won't. I don't think I want to take a long here unless we take VWAP. Just because of how bearish we've been. I just don't like it. Yeah, what a bait here though. This is definitely a squeeze. Hey, look at that. That was like a really nice head and shoulders, right? The downside, you just got squeezed. That's crazy. I was really close to taking that short too. I was definitely looking. That looks like supply buildup right in value area. This is not a bad trade, taking this long, in my opinion. It's not terrible. I just think we've been so bearish that I'm just a little biased against longs. And in terms of targets, like we still have this resistance right here, right? So I think even if we get a pop, you know, we might get that. So it's not really too much. I don't know, maybe worth a little scalp. How many points is that? Maybe like 20 points, 20, 30 points. I think it's possible. Not a terrible scalp, but like I said, I'm more inclined to not take longs right now. Oh, nice. Yeah, that scalp would have worked out. That's like a quick 30 points. Why not trading on S&P? That's a good question. I do want to eventually switch over to trading more ES than NQ, or maybe trading both, but I've really only traded and backtested NQ, so I don't really want to change anything. And that's pretty much the only reason. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dang, longs might be in play, guys. At least till VWAP. Where's VWAP right now? Like 50? $8.50 or 85. Oh wait, never mind. Let's see, yes. 822. VWAP is like up here. Might be coming for this high. I'm still looking for one more trade. But ideally a short. Like I said, I still don't really want to go long on this market. Yeah, congrats if you took this play though, from the supply buildup. You'd be up 50 points. I gotta see how my keyboard was set up. I'm putting all my keys back on. Windows key. Where's Alt? Bro, I really hope my keyboard's not broken. Okay. What does it look like on the 1? It's not bad on the 1. Retest. That's a decent imbalance. I want this to break. I would have taken that short if he broke structure. Yeah, no structural break, no trade. Yeah, longs are looking strong now, guys. Kind of same deal though. Probably wait till this. Kind of towards VWAP. If we start reversing on VWAP, I'll take the short. If we start taking VWAP over and we start breaking structure to the upside, I'll take the long. And that'll most likely be my last trade of the day. Let's try to get to 100 likes before that. We're at 47 likes, 104 viewers. Let's give away some Lucid accounts, boys. Some free accounts. I know, 180 point run. I know, it was a pretty hard squeeze. Like, this was definitely a short squeeze. There's like no way this wasn't a short squeeze. There are for sure a lot of shorts there. Yo, what's up, Okutari? I'll try to get to your email today. Probably after stream. Yeah, I apologize, man. I haven't been able to get to any of my emails recently. Question mark. VWAP is inside the golden pocket. Oh, nice. That's extra confluence. Looks like there's some bases there as well. So, yeah, I think VWAP could be good rejection. Let me turn on the VWAP here, but I have to like calculate it for the day. Alright, there we go. That is VWAP. Escape. Okay, so we're at this base. We should take this base over here. Honestly, the hours, if the hour closes like this, I think we are up, guys. If it closes engulfing. A little rejection off this base, but I don't think this base holds right now. We'll see. We'll probably get a little dip and up, but we'll see. I think we're still heavily attracted to the VWAP here. But I'm not bullish, so I'm not long. Sometimes trading is that simple, guys. If you're not bullish, don't be long. If you're bullish, then you should be long. Bro, I should have organized these keys. They're just everywhere. All right. So let's see how we react off of taking this high. Right? Maybe wick, close, and then come down. That'd be pretty ideal. If we take VWAP, then we'll be looking for a long. Alright, we just took that high. That does not look like it's topping out at all though. Pretty close. Sorry guys, I'm trying to fix my keyboard as soon as possible because I do not like trading on this other keyboard. That's starting to look a little weak. That's good. Sellers are starting to kind of show. Let's see how we react off this this base. Valid. It's a lot of valid points, especially here. Near the top of the orb is a pretty confluent area too. And watch for this break. Circuit's going up into VWAP. We're at VWAP. Now I want to see some sort of structural break. Maybe it hangs out here a little bit. Start getting that, I'll look to join. What's happening in NQ? It's just rotating, man. I think it's just rotating through value. It just hit its average price for the session. I'm inclined to think that this bounces off, but I want to see see confirmation on that first. Whereas if we just start blasting past it, you know, start creating new highs, I'm just gonna look to get in on a long. Rotate to the other side of value. Getting some rejection off of VWAP. 5 minutes not quite as convincing for rejection. I almost want to see it come above, leave a wick, and then come down. We'll see if we get it. Alrighty, how many likes are we at? We're at 110 viewers now. 50 likes. Guys, 50 more likes and we'll do the giveaway. One Lucid account. You caught the longs taking the review. Oh, nice. Good stuff. Yeah, that was a massive long, man. Three, 4, 5, 6. Hit TP. Let's go, dude. Are you using Project X for trading Apex using Rhythmic? I'm using Trade of 8. But yes, I am using my Top Step to copy trade to my Apex accounts. Literally, I'm just... Also, because Top Step like changed their trading or their payout rules, I'm literally just using Top Step as a my main trader because I like Project X. So like I don't really like if I get payouts out of Top Step, awesome, but it's not really the goal right now. I'm trying to just use the platform to get payouts from other firms. I just trade a little better on it, so. F11, F9, F5, F10, F2, 8, F4, F12, 9. Alright, we're getting that accumulation, little chop at VWAP here. Like, I still think this is ideal, like this. Maybe you bounce off the top of the orb. We'll see. If we start breaking down, I'll look to enter. orb on accident. I did. Yeah, we got a lot of buy pressure. We didn't close below. I'm gonna give this one more candle. Three seconds. Alright, I'm in short. I'm gonna get in 2 micros here. This is my target. Let's see where that base is at. Pretty sure it's this. I'll probably take one off here if we can get to this. I don't like how that didn't close on the 1. It's not a yeah, I'm out. I didn't like that. This needed to close on the 1. Alright, we'll try to fish for that short one last time, and if we can't get it, then okay, yeah, there's a lot of buy pressure, guys. I think it could be a little difficult taking shorts here. I mean, the edge is here, right? We're right at VWAP. We're getting rejected off VWAP, but you want to see that confirmation that we want to go down, right? So I might try this again if we break. If we break this level on the 1, I'll take this trade. Or if we do end up putting that wick in, my VWAP is uncalculated again. There it is. So maybe we get something like this. Maybe a little more patience with this trade. I don't think it's gonna break down right away. We gotta trap more buyers. Past 40 vals last. Nice, dude. Congrats, man. Gee. I passed my select Tradeify. You will go for the daily. Nice. Dude, congrats, man. Yeah, we hit a lot of bangers today, so. Yeah. Good stuff, guys. Yeah, I need to lock out my apexes. All right, I'm still watching this. If we close below this on the 1, I'll try the short again. That'll probably be my last attempt at this trade. Let's try to get to 100 likes though, guys, so I can do the giveaway. What are we at? 56 likes? We're at exactly 50% like rate. We have 112 viewers. Alright guys, all you gotta do is like and follow. We'll give away a Lucid account at 100 likes. That looks good. I don't think that yoinks. 8, 7, 6. I'm actually gonna get in. I don't think that yoinks. If you get a little retrace, I wanna get one more in. A retrace. I'm in 2 cons. Same deal. I wanna get one off here. If we're able to, I want to take a lot of this. I'm gonna get another one in. Risking around 150. Set this at exactly 150. So ideally we have our stop kind of above structure, but I kind of like this right above this key level. Even if you come back up and test it, I think we have a lot of resistance in the way. Like if this is gonna go, I want this to go pretty soon, and I want to start trailing it anyways. I'm almost done setting my keyboard back up. JMK. V. Nice, let's go. I'm gonna drop this down to break even, guys. We do have buy pressure, so just in case this joints, I don't want to lose any money on this trade. But it's looking weak. Definitely want to see this go a little further down. Ooh, almost took me out there. But yeah, I'd rather it take me out than me lose money on this, so. I'm break even, and then if we can get this, this will be a pretty solid trade. Alright, I'm stopped at break even. This could still run. If your stop's a little less sensitive than mine, then I would probably just stay in. But I would definitely be break even if you're up a little higher. Yeah, there she goes. If I'm honest, I don't think we get these levels. Probably see something like this. I think this is just a small pullback for the long, but I don't know. We'll see. Definitely does look bearish though. Yep, right back up to that key level, test it. If the reaction is really good off this, I might try one more entry. I might stop right above that high. But if we come back up to claim the key level, then I think we're continuing up. You can probably see more price action like that, right? It's definitely the space though that you want to watch out for. Do we wick below or do we claim it? Ooh, I think we're claiming it, guys. Yeah, I think buyers are back in control. Crazy stuff, man. Hour closes in 10 minutes. Yeah, that was probably my last trade attempt, guys, for the day. But I will still be online. I still want to do that giveaway. Let's see how many likes we're at. 56 likes. Let's get some more likes, guys. We give away 100 likes today. You guys are making me sound like a broken record. I believe we can do it, guys. Right, let's see if my keyboard is fixed. Alright, my keyboard is not fixed, guys. Time for a new keyboard. Just use my other one. Let's see if we flip VWAP here. Remember, if we flip VWAP, we're probably more than likely going to the other side of value, which will take out this high. Value high is at like pretty much 25. Yeah, like around here. How many points is that? Another 180 points. Get the dog in, he's like a booster. All right. Come here, Toto. Sorry, bro, I'm using you today. All right, guys, like it for the dog. Look at his little legs. Oh, bro, breast stinks, man. Say hi. Say hi. Get some likes for the dog. Alright, sit down. Bro, I'm using him. Guys, I kind of like this long. Five minutes left. I mean, a few seconds left on the 5-minute candle. I'm gonna wait for that to close. Actually, I'm gonna wait for the hourly to close before I make any decisions here. But the longs look really good. Longs look fantastic. It looks like we're flipping VWAP here, so you could be in for like another 180 points to the upside. Bilbo. Honestly, ES is looking good to flip VWAP here. There she goes. You know what? I like it. Four minutes left on the hourly candle. You know, I'll probably wait. Well, the hourly is probably gonna put in a wick, right? So if we close like here, it'll probably put in a wick and we'll go. Yeah, and if the hourly comes down and closes below VWAP, then I don't want to be in this long, right? We want the higher time frame, the better. The 5-minute closed above, but the 15, 30, and hour has not yet. Oh yeah, look at that. What a drop. 5 minutes still has bullish structure. Yeah, we gotta wait for this hourly candle. I will not be convinced for longs if the hourly does not close above VWAP here. From break even to 900. Nice. Good stuff, man. You remember what level I said? I do not remember what level you said. Two minutes left on the hourly. One minute left on the hourly. Let's do this so you can see VWAP. See if the hourly closes underneath. Seconds. Close above. looking good long, guys. Recalculate the VWAP again. Ooh, what a sell-off. How many points is that already? 50 points? Dude, that's so crazy. I'm still kind of fishing long here, but we are like losing VWAP a bit. ES just broke structure to the downside on the one. Interesting. I wonder if this squeezes shorts. How many points is this? 50 point. That's like way too wide for a stop. I want my stop to around 20. Nice. Yo, my dog got us 4 more likes. Let's go. We're at 60. Guys, 40 more likes to go. Free lucid eval. Let's go. Looks weak. Interesting. We got some divergence going on, right? We want to hold this low. If you want to see that push up. I still like this going long in the long run here. Like our 1 hour close bullish. This is looking real weak now. No regard for this key level. Interesting. See how ES is looking. Dang, are we back short, guys? I was really not expecting this. Like, if we're long, this is a place to fish for it, right? I'm in one con, super low risk. Literally just one mini. I think for up, we can hit pretty much 500. So if we start continuing up, like I'll look to add more into this. But right now, I am long biased, but price action is being a little bearish. So let's see if bulls can bring this back up. I think same deal. I'm gonna want to bring this break even fairly soon. I'm just gonna bring a break even now. It doesn't really matter if it stops me out. That bearish distribution. If we reclaim this, very bullish. This is probably where I'll add to this if I don't get stopped out. Okay, stopped out. Yeah, I don't know where price is going. I think we could be down, or we could be up. I would say this is kind of the level you want to watch, right? If we put in a new low, then I'll probably look to short this. Or just stay out of the market, either one. Or maybe we'll take this on an eval. Honestly, I don't have any more Apex eval, so. I'm just gonna chill. Yeah, my bias is pretty mixed right now, right? Like we're getting not full, but like some rejection off VWAP here, but we're not really breaking structure yet to the downside. You know, if we protect this low, then we could be in for some more. But if we take this low, then I definitely look for that. It's definitely better to be patient here and just kind of wait for some sort of confirmation on your trade. We'll see. Yo, what's up? Do you mostly just trade price action? I would say kinda. I use price action as confluence, right? Like for example, let's see. We took this short today, right? So our confluence was that it broke structure. We hit a key level, right? We had this marked out. I believe it was that. Hit a key level. We started reversing. We enter. That's just our entry criteria, right? Where you have some sort of support, some sort of resistance. You see structural break. You enter on the break. Then we saw like candle. Honestly, the candle velocity wasn't that great. So if candle velocity was like really good here, like I probably would have added a lot more into this trade. But it actually started grinding down really slow here. Probably because of jolts, right? It's like, this was the jolts candle here, so it was grinding down really slow. So I ended up not adding too many to this. But that's kind of how I'll use price action. If the velocity of the candles are like really high here, I probably would have added a lot more into this. Because you'll probably see like, you know, that move really quick. But yeah, that's just kind of how I use price action. Alright, honestly that's pretty telling for me. I'm gonna actually short this, guys. Alright, we're in. 3 cons. Let's see if we can eat these lows. I might even look to go heavy on this. Like I'm willing to risk some profits on this account, so let's see. Make sure my apexes are not trading. Yep, we're good. I'll watch this on the 1. Like if buyers want to win, they have to hold this, right? And there are some buyers, but I do think this will be protected. I think sellers just sold that off pretty heavily, so. Alrighty, 104 viewers. How many likes are we at now? 64, 65. All right, guys. 35 more likes and follows, and then we'll do our giveaway. We're getting really close. Let's do it, guys. We had a ton of bangers today. Like the stream for your boy. Appreciate it. Ew. Yeah, I think buyers are still in. Let's see if we hold this. Look at this on the 5. Is that 5? Oh, never mind. The ES on the 5 actually looks a little bullish. What is that level? Like 842? It's just unable to break 842. Just give it a little more time. Are you profitable? Yes, sir. Been consistent for around 3 years now. In the process of simplifying it, really trying to understand the markets, yeah. It's honestly less about understanding the market and more about understanding yourself. And I don't know how long you've been trading, but the more you shift your focus on yourself and just keep focusing on yourself, and you'll see the improvements in your trading. A lot of trading is it's very habitual. A lot of your daily habits will bleed in, and it'll bleed in subconsciously. So that's what you gotta fix. It's less about your strategy. What's my thoughts on order flow? Order flow is great. S tier. How's the golf game? Golf game is going great. It wicked off the orb? Yeah. We couldn't reclaim the orb, could we? Yeah, this is way too much indecision, guys. I'm just gonna get out of this. I don't want to be in it. It's too choppy. If it was gonna go down, I wanted it to go down now. It's holding this level too long, and the longer it holds this, higher time frames are gonna hold this high, right? I think your edge just diminishes over time of this going long. I mean, I'm going short. So I'm just gonna exit. If we break this, I might try this again, but we also have this base here that I could just bounce off of, so I don't know. Honestly, I might just be done for the day. Probably just lock it in. How much are we up? We're up like, I just posted it on Instagram. We are up 7,200 today, guys, across 9 accounts. My apexes are already almost at buffer. Some of them are already at buffer, some of them are not, so hopefully we can take out a fat apex payout. We can go up for like almost 20K, I think. 9, like 18,000 if you go for the max payout. But we'll probably just go for like 9,000, keep some buffer in the apexes, and continue trading them. There she goes. I'm still expecting shorts until, I mean, once this broke, I was definitely expecting short, so it broke now. But I don't really feel like chasing it anymore. I already exited my position. But yeah, if this goes, I would definitely watch out for this level here. And if that doesn't, honestly, if that doesn't hold and we start breaking, like, you're gonna see this think it's one or the other. Highly, in my opinion. We either put in the head and shoulders, or it's just a higher high, higher low, or lower low, lower high. I think, like, you just gotta simplify it down to that. It's really nothing else. You either short it here, you have an edge here, you short it here, aiming for the lower low. Like this is the lower high, you aim for that lower low. Or you long it here, aiming for that that head and shoulders. Yeah, I really wouldn't overcomplicate it. Really nice day. Yeah, today was a good trading day. These are the markets we like, right? Like market opens. I think we tried the short, right? Did we try the short or did we wait? I don't even remember. I think we waited actually. I was short biased. I don't remember if I took this short or not. I did watch this stream, but I think we waited for this key level to get hit. We took this short, and then I think we were pretty good with not trading the chop today. We were pretty disciplined with that, and then we missed this long. I was still short biased, and we started getting, I started getting a little chopped here, so I think I'm just done. I think it's better to just stay out of the market. For me anyways. Yeah, I would say 90% of where my losses come from, are from chop, right? Like my edge does not work in chop. I like breakouts. I like breakouts. I like to ride the trend. And it just say like I try to trade the breakout here, from here to here. Like if I did that 1, 2, like 3 L's, right? I would give up all my profits here. Yeah, I don't know. I think I'm a little more hasty on stream, trading. So I'm trying to really focus on trying to give you guys just better setups and not really taking any of like the trades that are not A+. This long looks A+ now, honestly. That looks really good. Am I gonna take it? Probably not. Yeah, guys. I think at this point I'm no longer short biased. If that broke at that level right there, I would have been short biased. But right now, it's either just chopping or you're long. Alrighty, 120 people watching. How many likes are we at now? 70. Let's go, guys. 30 more likes. Make sure to like and follow. We'll do a giveaway. Do the giveaway, and then we'll be off for the day. Let's do it, guys. We have a bunch of extra raffles from people too who used our code. If you want extra raffles into the giveaway, just use any of my codes for any of the firms. Each purchase will get you 2 extra entries in. Someone bought like 20 Apex accounts last week though, so he has like 40 extra entries. Just saying. A little warning to you guys. Yeah, this is long. This is long, guys. Right at this base. Couldn't close it, so we get that retrace. Gonna test some of these lower bases. Probably go up. Oh, it's also the top of the orb. Oh yeah. Pixel perfect on the top of the orb. You honestly probably just play the breakout, right? Of the orb here. If I have a 100K account, how many micros should I use to trade? It really depends. Like, I probably wouldn't risk more than 300 to like 500 on a trade on a 100K account. I think 500 would be pretty heavy. That's like what I like to risk on a 150K account. I like to risk like 100 to 250-ish on a 50K. So on a 100K, I probably risked like kind of just in between that, right? Like 200 and 400 maybe, something like that. I think 300 would just be a sweet spot, in my opinion. Alrighty guys, yeah, if I was in this, I'd be long. Looks like we're breaking orb, we're above VWAP. Yeah, absolutely, Carol. All right, we're at 75 viewers now. Let's go. I mean, 75 likes. We're 3/4 of the way there, guys. 25 more likes, and we'll give away that Lucid account. I think we'll make it today. I'm gonna start to put together the wheel. We'll decide. Let me start, actually I'll do it over here. Let me start putting this wheel together. Alrighty, let's see how many likes we're at now. 78, 22 more to go. Let's go. Dude, crazy how the algorithm works, man. Getting more likes and there's more viewers come in. We're at 120 people watching now. Let's do it. 22 more likes, guys. We'll give away that Lucid account. If we can get to 150 likes, like just say this snowballs, we'll give away 2 accounts. 150K flexes. Then you get your getting everyone's extra tickets in. How do you join the giveaway? You just gotta like and follow. That's it. And we'll start the giveaway at 100 likes. So 18 more to go. We're almost there. Thanks for answering my question. Can you give me your code for prop firms? I'm gonna start using your code a lot with other channels. When I ask questions, they don't answer it. Oh, I see. Yeah, code JMK. Also, if you do use my code, you get an extra raffle into the giveaway. I'm putting those in right now. So, I'm not affiliated with all the prop firms though. So, I think only Lucid, Top One, and Apex at the moment. So if you use any of those, I will get your name in. I'll give you guys, or actually we're still not at 100 likes yet, so you have until we have 100 likes to do the giveaway. Okay. Get your names in. What do you do with all those clicking and scrolling sounds? I'm adding your guys' entries into the giveaway. Dude, yeah, it's cause I spilled coffee all over my keyboard in the morning, so I'm using my other keyboard and it's kind of loud. I can mute the mic if it's too loud. Let me know. Okay. This guy has like 30 entries. 140 people watching, dude. Let's go. Appreciate the views, guys. How many likes are we at now? We're at 83. 17 more likes, and we'll do the Lucid giveaway. You okay with blue? Yeah, I think these are blue too. Alright guys, all you gotta do is like and follow to enter the giveaway. If you use my code, 2 extra entries in. I'm getting those in right now. Holy, hold on. My other keyboard's like freaking out. Hey buddy, you tired? Did I have a Top Step live account? No, I never got to live. They never reached out. I waited like 2 weeks. So I ended up just breaching it, and I'm just recombined. I'm gonna just take more sim payouts. Get all the ones from Apex in. Oh yeah, I also got a code for Alpha. So if you want to use that. Whoops. All right, the wheel works. I do not have Top Step codes. Top Step like almost never gives out codes, but they're pretty cheap regardless. I think it's like $89 for the no activation. So it's a good thing they didn't bring me to live. Yeah, that's true. I can take more. I can take advantage of the sim payouts for longer. So. The heck. Ooh, that looks good. That looks really good for the long. I might actually take this, guys. That looks fantastic. Let's get in. Stops at a good spot. I'm just gonna aim for this high. Our value area is a little bit higher. Let's just go for that. Yeah, Lucid payouts are really simple. I really like Lucid. I think Lucid is definitely one of my favorites. Tradeify is good, but I'm like, I don't know for sure, but I'm fairly certain they like pump up their commissions during the funded phase and their spread. Yeah, like I said, I'm not sure on that. I wouldn't quote me on that, but I was copy trading from my Top Step to my Tradeify, And my top step was like down 1,000, but my Tradefies were down like 2,000. So it's pretty insane. Yeah, I just copy trade to my apexes and they're identical with my top step. So I just think Tradeify just like absolutely pumps up their commissions during the funded phase to make it harder. Alrighty, we're at 91 likes, guys. 9 more likes, and then I'll get your guys' names in and we'll spin the wheel. You think Lucid will be in the game for a long time? It's hard to say. I think they're doing great for now, so. Yeah, it's really hard to tell with prop firms, right? Like one bad move, you know, the whole trading community goes wild. They don't get like cash flow anymore, and like prop firms, like they need that cash flow to pay out traders. So it just kind of snowballs. Like if they don't get the cash flow, they can't pay out traders. If they can't pay out traders, more people won't use them. If more people don't use them, they get less cash flow, and it's just like an endless loop, right? And it's just really bad. Yeah, like funding ticks, exactly. I think that's what happened to them. I don't know. I mean, they had payout denials. They made it harder to take payouts. I don't know. It was just bad. So, but right now, I don't see Lucid going down anytime soon. So, definitely, I would stick with the top ones. I'm a little concerned about my funded futures because their sister CFD company, their Forex company, is shutting down. Yeah, that's a little concerning, right, for my funded futures. So I would probably stay away from my funded futures for now, and I would just stick with Top Step, Lucid, Tradeify. Alpha is probably pretty good. Alpha has a really good affiliate base, right? Like all the Instagrammers are on Alpha. I don't think Apex is ever dying, so Apex is good, but Apex is just harder to trade. And then what else is there? I think that's about it. I probably wouldn't really use a lot of other ones. I think there are smaller prop firms right now that have potential. Like Tenacity. I think Tenacity has a lot of potential. I think Hypertix has potential, but I'm not positive about Hypertix right now. That's why I haven't like fully affiliated with them yet. Yeah, I'm not trying to affiliate with anyone that I wouldn't trust myself, but yeah, honestly, Hypertix, like their accounts seem really good. I haven't really used them yet, and they're newer, so I'm just giving them a little more time to mature, and then if they look good, then I'll definitely start using them. Apex just stopped metal trading in TPT. Yeah, it's valid. Yeah, it's not too crazy that they stopped metal trading, to be honest. It's like, I don't know, it's a smart business move on their end, right? It stops traders from, because like metals are a double-edged sword, right? Like, so many people are gonna blow their accounts on metals, but there are gonna be people who make a ton of money on metals. But besides that, I think just logistically, like when there's that much volatility, like the margin requirements, especially for metals, are pretty insane. I think reducing leverage like Top Step did is the more realistic option. Like you shouldn't be able to leverage that much metals during the volatility. But Apex just kind of shutting it down. I don't know. It's not the worst thing. It's not the best thing that they could have done. MFU sister company got rebranded, not shut down. Oh, really? They rebranded again? It used to be My Funded Forex, right? My Funded Forex. Then the whole CFD like crash came with My Funded Futures, not My Funded Futures, My Forex funds, and then Yeah, I just know they rebranded to Seacrest. Did they just rebrand again? Seacrest Markets? Wait, that's already what it is. I think Seacrest Markets is going down, right? It's Ryan Seacrest. Is GoTrader a scam? I have no idea. I would say they've been around for a long time, so that is like a positive. But yeah, I don't really know. $9.15. Yeah, I'm not really sure about GoFunded. Guys, 2 more likes and we'll do the giveaway. How long you been trading? Been trading for 1 year myself. I passed so many evals but never managed to get a payout. Hey, you'd be a perfect client for the mentorship. That's who I want in my mentorship, is people who could pass evals but not get payouts. One of our students just got a payout, and then we have another student doing pretty good, and one student kind of crashed out, unfortunately. But yeah, honestly, trading is a lot of like self-reflection. Honestly, like trading will bring out a lot of the flaws. Like it'll like absolutely shine a lot of the flaws you have in yourself. So yeah, I think my job as a mentor is more to kind of just redirect you in your risk management. Make sure you're staying on track on your risk management. If you need help with an edge, I can help you with an edge. But yeah, if you're unable to get payouts, I can definitely help you. But after this first month of doing mentorships, it's definitely a self journey. You know, the most I can do is really guide you, like kind of steer you into the right direction. But you have to make the decisions, right? Oh, I just got stopped out. Yeah, I'm probably done for the day, guys. I still think this is long, but like who knows? I think the market's gonna be a little choppy from here, so I don't really want to give up the green day. I'll probably just keep it. I'm gonna trade on this tomorrow, and I think we're almost at 100 likes. So oh, we're at 107 likes. Let's go. Let's do it. Do you guys want to do the giveaway now, or do you want to get to 150 likes and do 2 accounts? Actually, screw it. Let's just do it now. Let me get your names in, everyone who's new. Let's go. I should have like 34 entries. Yes. Chuck, you have a ton of entries in here. How do you enter the giveaway? You just like and follow. That's all you gotta do. And if you enter through like your extra entries through using my code, your name will be like a portion of your email, okay? And then I will email you. Yeah, all you gotta do is hit like and subscribe. It just helps out my channel, I think. I mean, the algorithm worked, right? I think we were at like 90 viewers, and then we increased the likes. Now we're at 150 viewers, so it's crazy. Yeah, appreciate it, guys. And yeah, we'll do the giveaway as soon as we have those likes. if you guys want to get to 150. Otherwise, we could just do it now. Why don't we just do one now? If we can get to 150 later, we'll do the rest. I'll just try to add your guys' names in. How to enter the giveaway? You just gotta like and follow. You know, I'll give you guys till what time is it? 12:52. I'll give you guys until 1 p.m. Eastern for anyone who wants to enter kind of last minute. And then at 1 p.m. give me like 5 minutes and I'll get the rest of the names entered in and then we'll spin the wheel. This is for one Lucid Flex account. Alright, we're still at like 7,000 up on the day. It's not bad. It's my copy trader. So we have like 8 apexes, copy trading on this one, and then just one top step account. We're up 7,000 on the day, guys. Huge stuff. Uh-oh. Yo, we may have a problem. My screen is frozen. Give me a second. Let me see if I can fix this. The heck? Oh. Oh, it's not frozen anymore. That's weird. Yeah, that was a little strange. My computer froze for a second, but I think we're back. Alright, make sure to like and follow. Give give you guys a couple more minutes and then give me a couple minutes to get your names in. Works. I had to use a different wheel because that wheel had a limited number of people I can add. So we're using a different wheel today. You just heard my fire alarm go off? Yeah. The ceiling bird. Yeah, I need to replace those batteries. Alright guys. Let me get the last few names in. You hope you win. Yeah, not gonna lie, I think Chuck Norris is gonna win. Just saying. You guys don't need to type enter. I'm just checking. Just like and subscribes. I do need to get a bot though. That'll make this so much easier. Alright. I'll get your names in. Gotta be an easier way to do this. $27 away from 150. It's true. Can maybe give away 2 accounts if you guys want to wait. But we only have 136 watching right now, so I think we just do it. We just send it. Alright guys, hold on, let me test the wheel. Okay, it works. Yeah, I need to get a bot for sure. I've been meaning to look into that. I haven't yet. All right, guys. Good luck to everyone. Spinning. No way. This guy's already won one. Oh, that's crazy. Alright, that's the winner. Let's see if he's in the chat. Let's see if he's in the chat, guys. He's also a VIP member and a MMM student, I think. He's been kind of busy. Yeah, his name is different on Discord. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is his Discord. I'm gonna message him, and then if he doesn't respond, we'll spin it again. He's here. Hey, that's crazy. You already won one. You want another one. What a lucky duck. Hey, Okatar, you already won 2 as well. That's crazy. Am I trying Lotto Ticket next? Yeah, actually, at this point. How do you become a student? Check out my website, jmktrading.com. Most of the info is there. Yeah. If you have any questions, you can join the Discord. I'll link the Discord too. You can just ping me in one of the channels on Discord. We're giving away a 50K Lucid Flex. Oh, did you never get it? You should check your email. I think I sent it to your email. It should have been a code, but I'll double check that. And if you didn't get it, I'll send that over to you. Wait, you're in the VIP channel, aren't you? Can you hear me? Oh yeah. Yeah, dude. I'll double check that. My bad if I didn't send that over to you. Get you that free account. Yeah, definitely before the weekend. So probably like today or tomorrow, I'll do that for you, and then I'll check your other email as well. Am I trading? Probably not. I'm gonna keep the day green on this account. I locked out my apexes as well. Yeah, I don't really know what this market wants to do. It looked really bullish, but now it's starting to look bearish again, right? We're either getting a head and shoulders here now, and that would be in line with the theory that we are in bearish distribution. Right, we've been distributing bearishly. We can still have that continue. If not, like we would need to cover this now to really be bullish. That would be like #1 sign of being bullish, or like I would say if we cover this high, like we broke above this on a higher time frame, then absolutely, like we can see a lot of high price. But even if we claim 820 right now, so where's 820? And not even that much higher. Like if this comes up and starts doing this, like I can see that too. If we reclaim VWAP, what the heck? Yeah, but I think the market's a little too undecided at the moment. I don't really feel comfortable taking any trades. Alright guys, thanks for tuning into the stream. I'm probably gonna call it here. We had a pretty big day, 7K across our accounts. We're just gonna end the day here. We'll continue trading tomorrow. Awesome. Yeah, thanks for that, Guitari. I'll get to that. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. Appreciate it. Let's bag some more gains tomorrow. Just end of the day green. Alright guys, have a good one.